Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to use YouTube audio library for copyright free music. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, one very important part or query which comes up is how to use copyright free music. And the answer is right there in your YouTube studio. When you go to YouTube studio, just hover around to this option on the left hand side, audio library. When you click on this, it opens YouTube audio library. And when I say YouTube audio library, it means this library has all copyright free music and sound effects. That's it, the main treasure if you are looking for copyright free music. And why is it important? Because if you are using any movie songs, Bollywood songs, Hollywood songs in your shorts or even YouTube videos, it for long videos it does not get monetized. That's the most important part. And for shorts, if you use the video, if you use the movie songs or music tracks, it gets monetized, but the revenue shared with the music copyright owners, right? So that is why copyright free music gives more control over video and monetization also for long videos, right? So how to use the audio library now? Once you go, you can see there are music tracks by genre, mood and artists. How I go about it is I look for mood, so mine are travel podcasts or travel vlogs, so I look for inspirational or dramatic depending on the mood of the video. And once you filter on that, you get options. You can play, and if you prefer this, then you just have to click on download either over here, or you can just go over here and click on this download once you hover around, right? So this is the way to download. Now you can play around with this. You can, if you know the genre, you can go by the genre and you can click on this, select jazz, holiday, hip hop, pop, rock, as per your choice. The other way to do is with keywords. Now suppose I'm creating a short which has history or pyramids, something like it, so I type history, and you can see I have found multiple options. This Game of Thrones is, you can see it is similar to Game of Thrones, right? So I can use this for a video which is about historical monument place, or I'm talking about something in a documentary, right? So depending on the type of video, travel log, a podcast, you can search, you can download, and all are copyright free. In some cases, though, now I might not find the right option over here, but when you click on download, a pop up will appear sharing you have to share the attribution. And in that case, you just have to mention whatever comes, copy paste it, and mention it in your video description. That's all. So, this is the best way to use YouTube Audio Library for copyright music. Just download, and while editing in your software, you can just add the audio track. Once you click on download, it gets downloaded, and you can just use the audio tracks simply in your editor and add it in the video clip. So that's one. Second is there are multiple sites like Motion Array for copyright free music again, but these sites typically require purchasing their subscriptions. The biggest one is Envato, right? This is the biggest one. And over here you can download, again these are all copyright free music and sound effects which you can download and use it in the same way you use a track from YouTube audio library. I hope this was useful. Do like and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave if you haven't.